Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you a delicious vegetable stew recipe, which is very easy to make and very tasty to eat. Let's get started. Add 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Then add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon garam masala, 4 cup water, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Then cover it up and let the water boil. Afterwards, add 3 cups of soaked rice. We're using basmati rice. You use any rice of your choice. Cover it up and cook until half of the water has dried up. After that, give it a mix and cover it up until all of the water is dried. If you think the rice is uncooked, then add a little bit more water and cover it up again. Now let's move on to making the stew. Add 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Paste made out of 2 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon salt, half teaspoon cumin powder. Mix it all together until the oil has separated. Now take the sauce out. Leave the remaining oil in the pan and add another teaspoon of oil. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute the onions until they become soft. And now add 1 cup peas, 1 large carrot, 1 medium-sized bell pepper, stir it all together and add the sauce that we had made earlier. Now add 2 medium-sized sliced potatoes. Each slice should be this big so that the potatoes can stay intact. Cover it up for about 5 minutes or until the vegetables leave the water. Now add 1 cup of chicken broth or 1 cup of water if you want it to be pure vegetarian. Add 1 jalapeno pepper, which is also optional. Cover it up for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir it in between so that the spices can be mixed properly. Vegetable stew is ready to be eaten and enjoyed. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon to receive our new recipes every other day. Thank you. Goodbye.